As a MoDOT maintenance employee, you are vital to the citizens of Missouri. Your work will keep the economy open. It gets people to and from work, and it gets our kids to school safely. But it takes a special type of person to do the job. The position requires physical stamina and endurance, including the ability to move materials by hand and operate hand tools. Many jobs are in close proximity to traffic, so there is no time to let your guard down when it comes to safety. You'll probably be asked to operate large, specialized equipment, which requires possession of a commercial driver's license. You'll be working in all types of weather, in all kinds of conditions, from high heat and humidity to cold, rain, sleet, and snow. You need to be prepared to respond to emergency situations any time during the day or night, including weekends and holidays. These emergency efforts include plowing snow, managing floods, and removing debris, dead animals, and other obstacles from state roads. This is rewarding work, and it does come with some challenges. But as a public servant, at the end of the day when you go home, you'll know your work made a difference.